Last tutorial was about creating parts and assemblies and connecting parts together in the context of assemblies. But this tutorial, we're going to be talking about getting parts from outside libraries and importing them into your SolidWorks. So say for our team, we use GoGoda just because it's really robust and they have a lot of options. However, we do use Rev for electronics, but mainly we use GoGoda. So say we want like a low side U channel, you're gonna go to whatever vendor you use. So maybe Rev if you use Rev or Vex Pro. You're gonna go to their website, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna find the part that you want to use in SolidWorks. So for example, maybe I want to use a one-hole low side U channel. We're gonna go down here, and as you can see here under the Downloads tab, we have a step file right here, and this is a 3D model or CAD file of the part that you want. We'll click on this file to download it. Once this is ready, we're gonna open up. I don't know why, but GoGoda stores all of their files in zip files. It is what it is. We're gonna click on this. It's gonna load up our SolidWorks. You can close out the zip file if you want. I don't know if this shows for other people's SolidWorks, but it says a journal file could not be created. Just select OK. And now we're just going to wait until this thing loads up. Okay, there. So it's reading the model. When it opens up, it's going to show a little dialog that says import diagnostics. You can do this or you cannot. GoGoda is a trustable source. The models usually don't have any like errors in them, but you can run import diagnostics and it'll tell you if there are any errors. So yeah, we have our channel right here. We can move it around, whatever. It's a step file, but if we want to use it in a solid assembly, we're going to convert this into a solid part. We do this by pressing Control and S, save, and then down here it automatically converts from step to part, so you don't even have to worry about that. We're going to name it low side one hole U channel. It's very, very important to name things what they are and have good naming conventions, because otherwise you're just going to be surfing through a ton of like file names that's just a bunch of ones and zeros, and you're not going to be able to understand anything. So just to make it easier on yourself, make sure you name it correctly. I have a ton of folders here. I have to find which one I stored in. Here, SolidWorks tutorials. We're going to go to our parts folder. We're just going to drop this in here, click save. Yeah, we've imported this part. It basically just functions as a normal part that we created last tutorial. It's basically just the exact same. You can use it in assemblies, you can edit it, all that jazz.